Hi, today we are going to see how to use Footnote on Google Docs. First of all, go to your browser. In the search bar, type docs.google.com. Here, a new interface will open. You can open a blank document or recent document or from template gallery. I am using blank. Here I am typing some demo word. To add a footnote, click on the word you want to footnote, then click on Insert. After that, you will see the footnote here. Click on the footnote and you can footnote it like your word. I am using hi here. Then you can see in the upper side of demo there is a one option. If I want to add the next, then I will click on this and insert a footnote. Then it will appear 2 and you will see in the demo 2 the upper side is 2. So that's how to use footnote on Google Docs. If you like this video, give the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.